What's up guys? I picked up this digital camera for my son. He wanted to get into photography and I just wanted to get him like an entry-level amateur digital camera. And this one is perfect. It's really easy for him to use. It does have a dial up here so you can take pictures, you can take video, you can do like delayed pictures and timed ones. On the back it does have an LED viewing screen, which is really nice. Comes in handy. It also comes out like this, so if you did want to take selfies, you could do that as well. Just kind of point it towards you while you're taking photos. And what's really nice is that this is a touch screen, so you can just kind of cycle through all your pictures and videos just by a push of a button right on the screen. It does have a flash on the top. Up here, you can actually connect like a microphone right to there, and then you can plug it in on the side. There is a spot to plug in the microphone. It does come with 2 rechargeable batteries. You just simply put them in the bottom, right in there. So it's nice that it comes with this neck strap. It is detachable. You can take it off. There's a clip on here. You just simply click it and pull. There's one on each side. I'll take these off, just like that. It also comes with this really cool tripod. You can just fit it right on the bottom and then just tighten it up. And what's really cool is that it's adjustable too. So you can actually push the button right on the side here and you can adjust the camera up and down just to whatever angle that you're looking for. It does have a remote control on it as well. It's just a really solid tripod. It does great just sitting on the table, being able to take like timed pictures or delayed photos with family. So yeah, overall this takes really nice photos and videos. It's a great entry-level digital camera for the amateur photographer. It's really cool looking too. It just has that professional look. It's really well made, nice and solid. So if you're looking for a really nice digital camera, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.